Hi viewers, this is Lalita. Welcome to my channel Teepi Kaaraalu. Today I will be showing you how to prepare our favorite Ukdiche Modak. Let's get started. Grab a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let the ghee heat up a bit. Add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Roast for a few seconds, then add 2 spoons of dry fruits and some raisins. Let these fry in the ghee nicely. Now add 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Let roast for 2-3 minutes. Add 1 cup of jaggery, let it soften. Add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, scrape bit of a nutmeg. Mix well and turn off the gas. The modak stuffing is ready. To prepare the covering, we will need rice flour and water in equal amounts. I have taken 2 cups of water for 2 cups of rice flour. Pour it in a kadai or deep vessel to heat up on medium flame. Add salt to taste. A teaspoon of ghee. Let the water come to a simmer. Now add in the rice flour. Try to mix in the flour with the water using a wooden roller or spatula. Once the flour roughly appears close to dough texture, turn off the gas. Take the flour in a kneading platter and start kneading it to soft and smooth dough with the help of a wooden masher or a metal glass. Once you feel comfortable with the heat, start using your hands and knead using ghee and water to attain that shine and smoothness. Now create bite-sized balls from the dough. Keep aside till we start preparing modaks. To prepare a modak, we can press the dough ball onto our hands and form a small ball-like structure. See how the dough doesn't break when I press it on my palms. It shows how soft the dough turned out because of the water quantity and ghee. I simply roll the balls into a puri or tortilla. This gives me even width of the cover on all sides. Then place this bowl-shaped dough onto your palm and with the other hand start pinching the dough like this, about 1 cm from each other. This creates petals of the modak. You can use a bit of rice flour to avoid the stickiness of the dough. After creating petals all around, add the stuffing and press it in. Start bringing all the petals together, more so nearer. Do not pull the dough upwards. Be patient and work on bringing all the dough together until it forms a tip. Shape the upper part in a pointed way. Keep some water for heating in a vessel or a lower tier of the steamer. Place modaks in a strainer or a slotted vessel with banana leaf underneath. Dip the base of the modak in water to avoid dryness. Like that, modaks are now ready to get some steam. Place the strainer on top of the vessel in which water is simmering. If you don't have a steamer like this, you can pour 1-2 glasses of water in a vessel. Place a strainer and use this for steaming of modaks. Cover with a lid or a plate. Steam these modaks for about 10-12 minutes on medium flame. Uncover the modaks after turning off the gas. Keep it sitting for a few minutes. Steamed modaks or Ukdiche Modak are ready to be shown as Naivedyam to Lord Ganesha. On this note, I wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Let's celebrate the divine avatar of wisdom and happiness this year in glory. Also requesting everyone to keep it low key and safe for everyone. Thank you.